Now, I could pull this chip and see what's underneath it and trace that signal back, but, you know, I really don't want to. You know, if I have to in the end, I will, but until I've traced out some of the rest of the stuff, that's just does not sound like a great idea to me. So, this leaves me with 2 EEPROMs, the main processor, which hooks to just about everything, this little weird reset circuit here, sort of P-good checker, the oscillator circuit here, and then a little bit of glue logic here. At this point, I may switch back to just figuring out where all these gate drives go. And finish that part of this guy up. So first things first, I want to go pull up the pinout of 273. Actually, I'm going to pull off the extra parts right now, so then I can shut off my soldering iron, because I won't need it for a little bit here. So, I want to pull this resistor. Well, vacuum cleaner will find that one eventually. Clean this guy out quick before I turn it off. And a big lump of solder that I sucked out of the card. Push the filter back in place. And that's good to go. 273. So here's the 273 chip, and the thing I'm most interested in is just where the outputs are. Not so much which one it is, it's just the pattern. So it's skip 2, 2 outputs, skip 2, 2 outputs, skip 2. Pretty easy to find. Actually, those were the inputs. So these two here must be the inputs. Q. Yeah, those are inputs. So it's skip 1, output, skip 2, output, output, skip 2, output. So, and the other side is a mirror. Good. So let's find out where this guy goes. Skip 2, output. Skip 2, or output. So if I had to draw this layout, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then our LED rows are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean LED columns. So the assumption was each one of these groupings of 8 on the columns goes to one chip. And I'm trying to prove that out. Not only prove that each group goes to one chip and they don't have some stuff intermixed. Wouldn't make sense with the way they have this laid out. But also for each chip, the same outputs on the chip go to the same order of columns on the LEDs. So we proved 1 and 2 per this diagram go there, and then 3 and 4 go there. So now if I hit this one, guessing, yep, skip 2, yep, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that I have that, I should be able to run through the rest of these groupings fairly fast. And prove they're wired up the way I think they are. Okay, so all the road drivers are wired like this. Now, the column driver, which way am I going to say is one? This I see here, I'm assuming is the column driver. Let me beep it out real quick. Oh, that's not going to quite work. Give me a sec here. This is labeled as 1, 2. Ah, I see what I'm doing.